Okay, on this next one. 3 terms. This is a really commonly missed one, so I'm going to make sure I point out where that is. I'm going to star it. Okay, LCD, least common denominator, is 8. So every term by 8. The first term has no denominator, so there's nothing to cancel. So I take 8 times 2x, 16x. On the second term, my 8 cancels completely with 8. And then here's the mistake. It's minus this quantity. So if you have to, put it in parentheses, because that negative needs to go to both of the terms, or all of the terms in that numerator. So that becomes minus 4x minus 5. That's where that common mistake is, right there. If you miss this, it's missed so often I do it incorrectly, so I know what that answer is going to be. So when I'm correcting papers, if you get that, I know that's exactly what you did. It's that often, okay? And then equals, 4 cancels, divides into 8 twice, and I'm left with 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so be careful when your term has a quantity in the numerator. Okay? All right, so let's continue solving. So here I have 12x minus 5 equals 2. Add 5 to both sides. And 12x equals 7. Divide by 12, and x is 7/12. And just leave it as a fraction, 7/12. Okay, and my last one. 3 terms. All of this, 1/2 times the quantity x plus 4, is 1 term. Negative 2/3 times x minus 1 is 1 term. 3 is 1 term. So I'm going to find my LCD. I'm looking at these denominators to do that. So my LCD is going to be 6. So all 3 terms get multiplied by 6. So again, don't distribute. I don't want you working with fractions. I want you eliminating that. Okay, so on the first one, 2 cancels, divides into 6 3 times, and 3 times 1 is 3. I'm going to distribute as a separate step, but I will certainly let you distribute right there if you can. Okay. On my second term, 3 cancels, divides into 6 twice, and I'm left with the 2 times 2, which is 4, and then my parentheses. On the right side, 3 times 6 is 18. And then I solve as usual. So I distribute 3x plus 12 minus 4x plus 4 equals 18. Collect your x's, negative 1x, collect your constants, 16 equals 18. Subtract your 16, and negative x equals positive 2, and divide by negative 1, and x is a negative 2. Andrew.
I had a question on the one that we did before this. For the quantity 4x plus 5, why would it become 4x minus 5?
Because this subtraction is to this whole term. It's not just minus 4x add 5. Because it's a fraction, this is one entire term. So this minus goes to the entire numerator. So you're basically distributing the negative to everything in that numerator. Yeah. And that's why I started that question. It's a commonly missed question.